We Africans, we believe that when the medicine is that much bitter, yeah, that's when it's more powerful to cure. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This your boy Cooking with Sindaco. I'm back again. Yeah, so today this video is about detoxation, yeah, and boosting your immune system. Yeah. So if this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to YouTube channel, turn notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video drops. So I have these 3 ingredients which I'll be grinding them, and it's really good for your health. Yeah. So it was a long cucumber, and I've divided it into 2. Okay. So something small that you can have it for the day, morning and evening, or you can choose to decide only morning or early evening. Okay. So cucumber or cucumber, I have lemon. Yeah, it needs to be soft so that I can get a liquid out of it, and I have ginger. If your lemon is hard, you can try to roll it like this to make it soft. Yeah. So before I start everything, I'll make a quick wash of this 3 veggies. Yeah. Okay, so quick wash. So lemon, ginger, cucumber contains some high amounts of vitamins that your body needs. Okay, so blending these 3 things together will give you a high efficiency results. Yeah. And also with the ginger, I'll be grinding. I'll not take off the skin because there's also fiber properties with the skin, so I'll grind everything together. And as I said earlier, the lemon I'll divide and get a squeeze to get a liquid out. Okay, so quick one. And okay, so since it's something which is not that many, I'll just do a quick slide. You can use chopping board, so please you need to be careful when using knife as how I'm doing. Okay, so use chopping board so that things will be okay for you real quick. And the ginger, as I said, I will not peel off the skin or not take off the skin because it contains some fiber properties which the body also needs. So just like this. Okay, 4 pieces goes inside. And now the lemon, divide the lemon into 2. Make sure I get all the water inside here. I don't have the juice, what do you call it, squeezer or lemon juice squeezer. I don't have it, so that's why I rolled it so that to become more soft, so that I'll be able to take out the juice from the lemon. So as you can see, all the water is dripping. So to make sure I have everything, I'll just add in everything. I'll make sure I take all the food parts in the lemon. I add everything to it, not only the liquid. Okay, so now we have an empty lemon like this. Okay, so you can see the lemon underneath. Okay, with the cucumber and the ginger. So I'll add a bit of water, very small amount of water to it, just to help the blender to spin well. So 30 seconds, and this is our product. Okay, yeah. So with this, you can decide to sieve, or you can decide to drink it like that. But I prefer to drink it like that. Okay, so you just shake it a bit so that everything mixed up. Then you do your pouring. Everything green, evergreen, and yeah, yeah, Fedri. Yeah, so this is our final product, and as you can see, 3 things blended, and we have our products over here. Rokodo, yeah, okay. Hello, brothers, sisters. Yeah, so we're done with our detoxic drink, the immune booster drink. Yeah, and this is how it looks like. I don't know if you've seen it before. Yeah, so you can choose to sieve so that I can get only the liquid, or you can choose to drink it like that with all the the impurities or the particles. If I say impurities, like that sound more of that. Yeah, so you can choose to drink with the particles and everything inside. Yeah. So since you have the lemon, it will taste a bit sour because I've tried it, and you can feel the sourness in it because of the lemon. Yeah, and the ginger as well. So as I said, you feel the ginger, you feel the heat. Yeah, the heat of the ginger. You feel it because there's this burning sensation in my mouth right now because of the ginger, and also some of the ginger couldn't blend well, so there's a bit of some particles of the ginger inside that you feel like chewing it. So it all depends on you if you want to sieve your drink so that you have a smooth drink. And also I believe the water content over here is a bit less or small, so it look very dense over here, very dense, and yeah, I'm having this kind of facial expression because it's normal, it's sour, so anything sour. But it's good. I've been drinking for a week now, and I've seen some improvements in my belly, like some weight loss or fat loss in my belly. I've seen that. Yeah, and I believe the other stuff that I might not see it now or physically see it, but as time goes on, you might see those things as well. Yeah, this is not a sweet, tender. You can have that joyful face and a smiley face while drinking it, though you can have it, but so fast or when it goes inside your mouth, you might have this facial expression. But yeah, we Africans, we believe that when the medicine is that much bitter, yeah, that's when it's more powerful to cure. That's what we Africans believe. The expression on the face is normal. It tells you that I'm drinking something powerful. Yeah. So I'm now with it. I'm now chewing some ginger inside, and if this is your first time watching, can you subscribe? Tell a friend, tell a brother, share, comment, subscribe, follow me on Facebook. Yeah, let's do this again. More food, more tips, more anything about food you find here. Let's do this again for Shizzle Manizzle. About